afternoon, this is Jan. I'm here at the IKEA furniture store for filming the final chapter of what I call my IKEA restaurant trilogy, because I believe there must be something more on the menu that I want to try. So let's check this out. Let's see what we got here. It's a chicken schnitzel. Some acidity. First bite. I must say it has a lot of taste. It's not too dry. It's really well balanced. A little bit salty. Quite nice. French fries with mayonnaise. They're okay. I give this chicken 8 out of 10. Because that's what it deserves, an 8. It's quite better than last time I was here with fish and chips. Fish was too dry, really. I gave that one a 6 out of 10, but it was more likely to be a 5 out of 10, worse than that, really. So I'm very surprised with this chicken. With a glass of Chardonnay, I will enjoy this chicken. Chardonnay, that's what they're serving for the white wine. I did not choose to drink a red wine with my chicken, especially with a chicken schnitzel. White wine goes better with it. And it's a good match, I must say. And the grand total is only 11 euros. That is 6.90 for the chicken, 3.50 for the wine, and an additional 60 cents for mayonnaise. So that's a good deal.
Vara en Novel zijn hun ouders kwijt. Willen de ouders of verzorgers van Vara en Novel haar ophalen bij de badshop.
That was a nice meal, mission accomplished, and as long as I'm here I'm gonna take a look at the furniture along the way to the exit. I want to say thank you for watching my video, and I see you in the next one. Bye!